Right. And the issue I see, and maybe you can comment on that, is that you constantly are exposed to vaccines that haven't gone through any long-term safety protocols. And do you have any idea how much time do you need to actually test vaccines for safety in a proper way?
Well, studies have been done on SARS, MERS, and RSV. For those three, it's also an interesting story. They are genetically, for 98%, the same stem as SARS-CoV-2. They tried, when the viruses in 20 years, 15 years ago circulated, for SARS, MERS, and RSV to develop a vaccine. It took them more than 5 years to obtain basic data telling them that the researchers not to put the vaccine on the market because it had too many complications.
So we
Now
can. Mm.
we have the SARS-CoV-2 vaccine developed in 8 months' time, and suddenly it has a 98% same genetical structure as what I said before, SARS, MERS, RSV. Now suddenly it's possible to have the development on 8 months' time, and there won't be any consequence. I can't believe that.
So what I generally hear is that the reason why it's so fast is because there is such a close and cooperation between a lot of different scientists and pharmaceutical organizations. So does that make sense to you? Because so many people are involved. Yeah.
Partially it does, of course. You know, if that's true, I think that this will have helped to shorten up the period of development. But on the other hand, it doesn't change anything on the follow-up period you need.
Mm.
You can develop a vaccine on a very short amount of time with a lot of people, where it normally takes a few years. You can get one, okay, in 8 months' time. The thing is, the follow-up period, we didn't have it. And that's what we need, normally 5 years, to have some kind of basic data to check upon what the adverse effects or adverse responses could be. And we don't know. We
Mm.
basically don't know. What we know now is that we have to wait upon the end of 2023 to get the first data from Pfizer.
Listen to the entire episode of the Immunity Podcast.
Link in the description below.